trying to make a bookmark design, I'm going to do the text box icon. I want my design to say books. Next, I'm just going to center and then change the font here. And now we want to go to effects. We want distort and transform. We're going to change the copies to 5. And then I'll change this to 50. So this is what I'm going to make wavy. Next, I want to go to object and expand appearance. Then I'm going to go to effects and then warp and then wave. And then this is how you get the wavy look. And you can adjust it however you want. You can play around with it just to see, you know, how intense you want the wave to be. So this is how you can make wavy text in Adobe Illustrator. If you have further questions or would like to leave a comment in the comment section, please feel free and I would love to respond. Thank you all.